What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I just want to congratulate Rocky for claiming our Tumblr on the app for free. Guys, if you watch our YouTube videos, some of the YouTube videos we are giving away things for free, but only the people who watch the full videos will get their gifts, obviously. We only make one available per video, or not per video, it depends on how I feel on the day. But Rocky, congratulations. Please come and collect your Tumblr from us. And yeah, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching our full videos. We really appreciate it. If you're the first person to watch the whole video, go to our shop and go collect yourself a free Blessed Adventures Tumblr.
Let's go! Let's go! Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Every single morning it's the same old fight. Trapped inside a box trying to find the light.
And then, like always, thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Cheers.